Hi, my name is Hina Arif, trainer of Wella Professionals Pakistan. Today, I'm going to talk to you about WELLAPLEX standalone hair strengthening treatment. WELLAPLEX is a 3-step bond building system that reconstructs bonds for stronger hair. The first and the second part is only used in the salon by your stylist, while the third one you can use at home. Our hair is made up of bonds which are broken during everyday wear and tear, so it's important to protect these bonds for healthy looking hair. For WELLAPLEX standalone care treatment, you can mix WELLAPLEX Bond Maker number 1 into water with the ratio of 1:6, 10 ml of Bond number 1 mixed with 60 ml of water. Just apply it on the hair evenly from roots to ends. After leaving number 1 in the hair for 5 minutes, apply Bond Stabilizer number 2 all over the hair. This is the result of our WELLAPLEX standalone care treatment for healthy, shiny looking hair. Also do recommend your client to take home with her number 3 hair stabilizer for hair care treatment at home.